Yellowstone. Even though it wasn't my first time visiting, I was moved by the wonders of nature there. There, Earth is alive, revealing its dynamic history as it continuously transforms. With that special experience imprinted in my mind, today I head for the Arizona desert. I wonder what kind of landscape awaits me at this dry and barren terrain. You can find vast nature, as well as the history of the American Old West here. The Arizona desert still has traces of cowboys and the gold rush, which remain from the American frontier days. My first journey is to Phoenix, the central city of Arizona. Phoenix, which is named for the legendary immortal bird, is located in the Sonoran Desert of southern Arizona. My first destination in Phoenix is Superstition Mountain, which is full of mysterious energy. I come upon some nice company along my way, in a place that I thought would only contain a barren desert landscape. It's none other than these tall fellows, standing erect. They are saguaro cacti, which grow in Arizona and Texas. The cacti stand tall here and there, as if welcoming me. A little over 30 minutes out of Phoenix, I see a mountain in the distance. Legend has it that gold is hidden in this mountain. In fact, a ghost town called Goldfield greets me at the mountain's entrance. It is an abandoned mining town. In its heyday, they say there were over 50 mines and more than 3,000 miners here. Now it is a growing tourist attraction, where the town has been reproduced to look like the Western frontier days. Of course, the cacti are here too.
자, 여기 굉장히 큰 선인장이 하나 있는데요. 뭐 아리조나를 얘기하면 누구나 가장 먼저 떠올리는 게 아마 선인장일 거예요. 그래서 아리조나의 대표적인 상징이라고 할 수 있죠. 그래서 아리조나는 그 차에 번호판에도 이 선인장을 해놨어요. 그래서 아리조나 아주 대표적이고, 그래서 물론 뭐 선인장 열매도 우리가 먹기도 하지만은 우리 이종래에서는 또 선인장 꿀로 만들어서 뭐 생산을 해서 팔기도 하고, 아주 선인장이 대표적인 아리조나의 우리가 특산이라고 할 수가 있겠죠. 아주 큰 선인장들이 굉장히 많이 있어요. 아, 멋있네요.
Behind the ghost town, Superstition Mountain looms close. This rugged mountain is reserved as a development restriction area by the state, which means it is still very wild. Perhaps this is why many accidents occur here too.
자, 우리 지금 이렇게 가고 있는 데가 슈퍼스티션 마운틴이라는 데입니다. 그러니까 슈퍼스티션 산이죠. 그래서 아주 뭐 공포의 산, 뭐 이런 의미가 되겠죠. 그래서 이 지금 산이 생긴 게 좀 그래요. 색깔도 조금 어둡고, 그래서 산 모양도 또 무슨 여기 고스트 타운에 어울리는 좀 특히나 밤 되면 더 으시시할 것 같은 그런 형상을 하고 있어요. 이게 풍화 침식을 많이 받아가지고 아마 수직에 단층이나 전리 이런 게 많은 것 같아요. 그래가지고 지금 모양들이 좀 굉장히 불규칙하게 남아 있습니다.
You have to prepare yourself well before hiking due to the rugged terrain.
조금 지금 우리가 여기 시간으로 한 7시가 다 넘었는데 조금 선선해지는 것 같아요. 그래서 저희들 한번 어느 정도까지 한번 올라가 보려고요.
Phoenix is famous for its midsummer deadly heat, which can exceed 40 degrees Celsius. My throat parches from the heat, but also from looking at this dry landscape.
산의 모양이나 선인장의 모양이나 좀 굉장히 소위 말해서 갈증을 느끼게 하는 그런 양상이에요. 선인장도 우리가 대표적인 사막에서 자라는 식물이잖아요. 근데 산에도 보면 굉장히 건조해 놓으니까 나무도 크고 꼭 선인장 모양 비슷하게 쭉쭉 솟아 있는 게 잘 아리조나의 풍광을 잘 대표하는 것 같아요.
Roosevelt, the 32nd President of the United States, called this a place which displays the world's most beautiful natural panorama. It must have been because of the view created by the cacti together with the Erie Mountain. I stop in my path to enjoy the view of the sunset that this arid desert is about to present. Superstition Mountain, grand and eerie, looms tall before me. Even the sun seems to be overwhelmed by its power and cautiously casts its shadows. Getting so much resistance from behind. Time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. As the blazing sun vanishes, the desert comes back to life with a new vigor. What a field day for the heat. 1,000 people in the street, singing songs and a carrying signs. Mostly say hooray for our side. It's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Four lakes were formed with the construction of the dam on Salt River, which is Phoenix's lifeline. Canyon Lake is one of these. I can't believe this place is in the middle of a desert. It's as if I'm in a different world.
아이고, 완전히 그 사막의 오아시스란 말이 정말 딱 맞는 것 같아요. 이렇게 호수가 있으니까 이 큰 대도시 옆에 전부 사막인데, 야, 이 완전히 호수가 있어서 사람들이 지금 뭐 수영도 즐기고 피크닉도 즐기고 아주 분위기도 좋고 아주 중요한 것 같아요. 우리.
It looks so relaxing. This beautiful lake is a popular vacation spot for people from Phoenix and other nearby cities. It is good not only for fishing, but is also equipped with facilities where people can enjoy boating, jet skiing, and other various water sports. I chose to ride a boat.
지금 우리 이제 보트를 렌트를 해가지고 우리가 보트를 타고 좀 가보려고 합니다. 이렇게 크루즈 같은 것도 있는데 그거는 이렇게 많이 들어갈 수가 없대요. 한 3마일 정도밖에. 우리 보트를 빌리면 한 10마일까지도 갈 수 있다니까 우리가 좀 더 계곡 깊은 곳을 아마 둘러볼 수 있을 것 같아서 저희들은 보트를 타기로 했습니다.
I didn't think much of it because they said all I needed was an automobile driver's license.
이거를 여기다 쓰고 여기 드라이빙 라이센스 여기다 써버려.
The procedure is extremely complicated because of safety and liability issues.
오케이? 생각보다 상당히 이제 까다롭고 책임 소재 같은 게 있으니까 저 크루즈로 가는 것들은 이제 운전을 우리가 하는 게 아니고 구경만 하면 되는데 보트는 이제 그런 위험성이 좀 갖고 있는 거죠, 위험성을.
It's because I have to drive the boat myself.
to be the driver.
내가 해야 돼. Okay.
I need you back here with me for a minute. Just stand right here on the dock.
Yeah.
First thing we need to do is take a look at the prop. We try to keep them in good shape. If it comes back dinged up, banged up, it's a $65 charge. Push it forward. The farther forward you push it, the faster you go. Same with reverse. Pull up, pull back. This is just a neutral throttle here. It only works in neutral. Boat will not shift when it's up. It has to be down the rest of the time when the boat's underway.
I am overwhelmed by the staff's quick-fire instructions and worried whether I'll be able to drive properly.
Yes, that's why it says 5 miles an hour or less. There's no way to tell if you're going 5 miles an hour. Keep pulling back. Keep pulling it back. Don't let it grind. Pull the handle back for it. There you go. There you are. Now you're in reverse.
I barely managed to take off. Fortunately, the start is turning out easier than I thought.
난생 처음 보트를 운전해 봅니다. 태어나서 처음입니다. 보트를 운전하는 거는. 물만 갈 때는 이게 간단할 것 같은데 다른 보트가 이제 온다든지 옆으로 가면 이제 수심이 낮아지니까 그럴 때는 굉장히 위험할 것 같아요. 조심을 해야 될 것 같아요.
At this moment, nothing could be better.
저 안에 보트 많이 들어가 있네.
But just then,
왜 오지 말라는 거지? 왜 오지 말라는 거지? Something wrong? Do you need any help?
a boat is drifting in the middle of the lake.
Can you tow us to the dock?
No problem.
Oh, thank you. Give us some money.
Stop.
Yeah.
You can't move. You can't move. Okay. Okay.
They tell us that their boat suddenly broke down, and they've been floating on the lake for a while.
Thank you so much. Tow us back to the dock.
Yeah. Which dog? 약간 길게 해야 돼요. 너무 가면. 오케이. Go. Move. 잘 따라오나 봐요. 길게 묶었어야 되는데 최대한 길게 묶었어요. 야, 이게 정말 인생에 이런 경험이 있습니까? 이거 첫 보트를 운전하는 사람이 고장난 보트를 지금 끌고 가고 있습니다. 이거 참.
Me, the novice boat driver, is rescuing another boat.
Holiday?
Yeah, we didn't have much fun. After about 15 minutes before we realized that there was something wrong.
아니, 기다려.
Right here. This is perfect. Thank you.
They had been on a rare family vacation, which could have turned into a disaster.
I got a knife.
Still, I feel good that I could lend them a hand. They tried to pay us out of gratitude, but we declined.
Well, you guys sure?
No, it's okay.
Well, thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it.
It's okay? Can you catch it?
What we'll do is I'll swim if I have to. Oh, we got the paddle.
후진해봐요. 이제 좀만 후진해봐.
We're good.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Okay. Bye.
My trip has just acquired an anecdote.
야, 저 진짜 좁아지는 것 같아요. 그래서 이제 여기도 이제 호수고 이 계곡 속으로 지금 들어가는데 여기 운전이 이제 또 좀 잘해야 될 것 같죠? 너무 좁아져서. 오.
I am now able to gain speed on this boat.
아, 직접 이게 뭐 배 소리도 나고 물도 헤치면서 가니까 아주 기분이 좋습니다.
The lake branches off into a deeply carved out gorge. And unlike the serenity of Canyon Lake, the gorge looks wild and untamed. It seems as if a primitive environment has unfolded at the edge of the lake.
아, 여기 경치가 좋은데 좀 세워서 좀 보겠습니다. 야, 특이한, 굉장히 이 사막에, 야, 이게 호수에다가 그냥 계곡까지 놓으니까 아주, 물도 깨끗하고 너무 시원하고 좋네요.
Of course, we can't leave out the cacti. Saguaro cacti dot the jagged cliffside. You can only enjoy this special view in Arizona. Thanks to the gradually increasing heat of the sun, I've decided to take a dip in the water. It reminds me of my childhood days in the countryside when I would swim in the river.
Everybody's talking at me. I don't hear words they're saying. Only the echoes.
Arizona, come on!
Wow, it's so refreshing. The water is deeper than I thought, which makes it even better for swimming.
Only the shadows of their eyes.
물도 봤는데 물속은 하나도 안 보여.
I'm going where
깊은가
the
봐요,
sun
생각보다.
keeps shining through the pouring rain. Going where the weather suits my clothes.
Canyon Lake harbors the unique characteristics of the Arizona landscape. It is an oasis within this desert land. I leave Phoenix, the land of the immortal bird, and head to Tucson, home to Saguaro National Park. The vast Sonoran Desert unfolds just a little way out of downtown Tucson. Thanks to this desert, Tucson boasts clear weather, arid air, low-lying mountains, and bountiful desert vegetation. It captivates travelers with an allure that is different from that of the average sandy desert.
진짜 이 산하고 선인장밖에 없어요. 다른 거는 거의 지금 작은 그 잡초들이 좀 자라고 있지만은 대부분 지금 선인장이에요. 근데 선인장이 너무 빡빡하게 촘촘하게 자라고 있어요. 이 선인장이 있었는가하고 없는가하고 그 삭막한 사막 지대지만은 이 선인장이 있어서 분위기를 전혀 다르게 만들어주고 있는 것 같아요. 우리 그야말로 사막에서 오아시스처럼 이 산에 황량한 이 산에 있는 선인장은 그런 느낌이 들어요. 오아시스 같은 느낌이 들어요. 너무 이뻐요. 이 황량한 산이 이렇게 아름다울 수도 있네요.
The saguaro cactus is a hallmark of Tucson. They have taken root in this rough terrain, which makes me realize once again how powerful life is.
이와 같은 지금 땅들에서는 너무 기후가 건조하니까, 그러니까 건조하다는 얘기는 결국은 강우량, 강수량보다도 이 정발량이 더 많다는 얘기거든요. 그렇게 되면 점점점 이제 땅이 건조해지고 사막화되는 거죠. 지금 이 지역은 전체적으로 강수량에 비해서 정발량이 훨씬 많으니까 굉장히 건조하고, 그래서 결국은 거기서 살아남을 수 있는 식물들은 주로 선인장 종류를 비롯한 입이 굉장히 작은 이런 종류들의 식물들만, 극히 제한된 식물들만 자랄 수 있는 거죠.
A colony of enormous saguaro cacti stand in the middle of the desert. This area was designated as a national park in 1994 to help preserve them. Some peculiar cacti catch my eye. These are teddy bear cholla. They got their name because, from afar, they look like soft teddy bears. The yellow color adds to the resemblance. I have just been caught in its thorns.
작대기로만 떼내야 하는데 완전히 꽂혔어. 오, 달라붙는데. 어휴. 그냥 가시가 아니고 완전히 박혔어요. 어휴. 엄청나게 아파요. 어휴. 진짜 아파요. 어휴. 피가 막 이상하게 되는 것 같은 느낌이 들어요. 힘줄이.
They have clung to my shoes too. The thorns are pretty strong, aren't they?
혈에 고슴도치 같이 붙어버려. 꼭 생긴 것도 동물 같아. 그냥 사이로 빠져나가면 된다고 생각했는데 이게 주위에 가니까 딱 달라붙어버려. 진짜 아픈데 이거. 힘줄을 막 붓게 만드는 것 같은 느낌이 들어. 오.
They look fuzzy, but they're very strong. Taller than humans, these erect saguaro cacti are said to reach more than 20 meters at full growth, but they grow very slowly. They only grow 30 centimeters over a span of 15 years, and flower and fruit only after 30 years. However, they also have a very long lifespan of more than 150 years. They keep guard here during that long period of time, sharing its water with the desert animals and providing a place to rest. This is why the Native Americans, who used to live here, considered them to be guardians of the desert. Knowing this makes them look even larger.
굉장히 아주 가위를 뚫고 올라왔네요. 이 키가 선인장들이 다들 커서 제 키가 170 정도 되는데 선인장이 한 5, 6m는 될 것 같죠? 대부분 이렇게 큰 선인장들이 많이 있어요. 아파서 앉지는 못하겠지만 상당히 둘러도
The birds have taken claim of the fruit on top.
입 열고 이렇게 기다릴 수도 없고 하나 먹어보고 싶지만 이렇게 따먹으면 안 되기 때문에 공원이라서. 이게 하나가 꽃이 아니고 이게 꽃이 피었다가 이제 밑에 부분이죠. 이렇게 됐다가 위에 달린 것처럼 이게 익으면 이렇게 벌어지는가 봐요. 석류 벌어지듯이. 지금 이 안에 거는 떨어져 나갔고 아마 새들이나 누가 먹어버렸나 봐요. 제가 딴 게 아니고 죽은 겁니다.
Just then, something pokes its head out of the ground. It's called a black-tailed prairie dog. We were lucky to spot one. In The Little Prince, it says that an oasis is what makes a desert beautiful. But perhaps the cactus is the true treasure of the desert. This desert, home to the mystical saguaro cactus, is also the stage for Western movies. Tombstone is located a little over an hour from Tucson and was the actual stage for the Western classic, Gunfight at the OK Corral. The story is reenacted even today.
톰스톤에 왔습니다. 톰스톤. Hello. Hello. When do you start the show? Competition?
11 o'clock, right there.
11 o'clock.
See the green dumpster right there?
Yeah.
Right in that building.
Inside the building.
Indoor theater.
Hmm.
You not only get entertained, but you learn history about the town.
Okay. Do you show some other?
Not on the street. No,
On the
not
street.
on the street.
However, when I enter the street, there is no doubt that the mood is set up to be a stage for a Western film.
Come to see me, baby, and bring along some dough, and we'll go honky-tonkin' home.
Stagecoaches that I have often seen in Westerns, as well as gunmen dressed in clothes from the Western era, come alive before me. They remind me of movies that I watched as a boy. Various Westerns are reenacted each hour in the reconstructed building.
Want to visit it, but don't stay. In fact, it's hotter than Phoenix is today, I'm sure. Well, I'm telling you to take that gun out of the holster and put it on the
It
bar.
seems stories of cowboys who had only their guns to rely on still evoke nostalgia for Americans.
Not even healed. And they're telling you. Howdy. Oh, I'm healed. And you're next.
And by the way, what? You're not going in the passenger car.
So I guess you opted for dead rather than...
This reenactment is a story about Tombstone from the silver mining boom.
And well informed. Did y'all folks enjoy the show?
이름에 대한 걸 굉장히 깊게 생각했는데 이게 툼스톤이에요. 이름 툼스톤. 툼스톤의 툼이 이제 묘지의 무덤이에요. 무덤이 이제 툼스톤이니까 이제 비석이죠. 묘석이죠. 옛날에 이제 이런 이 사람들이 중간에도 그런 얘기 나왔지만 이제 뭐 많이 이렇게 싸우고 이렇게 하다 보니까 많이 죽죠. 그러니까 이제 사람들 무덤이 이제 많이 생겨서 아마 많이 그런 식으로 된 것 같아요. 네, 재밌네요. 네.
Of course, the most famous Western film is Gunfight at the OK Corral.
날씨가 너무 더워가지고 지금 아이스크림 하나 먹으면서 지금 우리가 OK 목장의 결투를 보러 갑니다. 근데 이분들이 다 이제 연기를 하실 분들 같아요. 좀 있으면 들어오실 것 같아요. 지금 홍보를 하고 있는 거죠, 우리한테. 여기 이쪽으로 들어가면 여기 뒤쪽에서 목장처럼 꾸며놓고 하는 것 같아요.
Actually, Gunfight at the OK Corral was a movie made from the actual fight that took place here in 1881.
일단 추정. 이 톰스톤의 역사를 이렇게 사진으로 해놓은 건데요. 이 사람이 지금 에드워드 셰플랜이라고 해가지고 이 도시를 처음에 이제 설립을 한 사람입니다.
When mining scout Ed Shefflin founded this town in 1877, he was able to discover an actual silver ore source. The town prospered immediately afterward, and the population grew to as many as 10,000. It was a true boomtown during the Western frontier days. But soon, gunmen poured in, and it became a lawless city.
He'll lose interest once that hangover sets in.
If we're lucky, he'll go back to his room, pass out.
Duels took place on the street all the time, and the most famous one was the gunfight at the OK Corral.
Halt! Not what I want.
It was a gunfight between legendary gunmen, the Wyatt Earp brothers, and the Clanton Gang, who were notorious for their evil doing in the town.
Now you get away from me! I'll kill you!
Adventure and pioneering, shotguns and bloody fights between men. The Old West claims a significant part in their hearts.
미국 사람들은 이제 향수가 있죠. 서부 개척 시대에 향수가 있기 때문에 옛날에 우리 민속촌 가듯이 그런 느낌으로 와서 보고 또 그 느낌들을 같이 공유하고 이러는 것 같아요.
People came to the West in search of gold, and the history of the Western pioneering days still lives today in the deserts of Arizona, in the form of memories and romance.